How to delete your Mobile Legends account on Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can delete Mobile Legends account on Android. So without further ado, let's get started with our video. First of all, launch the Mobile Legends game on your device. So once you have opened it up, navigate to top left corner and tap on your profile icon. So once you're here, again navigate to your left hand side and there tap on account option. So under your account, you have to type on account center from your left hand side. And here you will have an option to cancel account. Tap on cancel account. Then you will be taken into a new page in your browser. Here scroll all the way down, tap on the terms and conditions, then tap on next. Here you can read all of the information very carefully, then tap on the agreement, then tap on next. Now you have to choose an account that you have used in order to link your Mobile Legend. So choose an account. After that, it might ask you to provide your password or your credential for the verification. Once you have provided all of that, you'll be taken into next page where you have to follow some terms and conditions. So follow all the terms and conditions and follow some on-screen instructions. So once you have complete all the terms and conditions by following the instructions, you will be able to delete your Mobile Legends account on your Android device. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.